China's fastest sea-crossing high-speed rail started operation on Thursday in East China's Fujian province, featuring advanced technology and intelligence. With a design speed of 350 kilometers per hour, the Fuzhou-Xiamen-Zhangzhou high-speed railway slashes travel time between Fuzhou and Xiamen, an economic hub and tourist hotspot in the province, to just under an hour. The fastest train trip used to take around 1 hour and 20 minutes.
福州到厦门嘛，1个小时的生活圈，就更加方便生活呀、工作啊，然后沿途的风景也是非常美的。
The railway traverses 3 coastal bays, Quanzhou Bay, Meizhou Bay, and Anhai Bay, via sea-crossing bridges. The construction of the 3 sea-crossing bridges has successfully conquered challenges posed by the unfavorable natural environment.
从桥梁上面呢，我们采用了抗风，包括耐腐蚀的海洋环境的情况下，提高了桥梁的耐久性，这也是提高了整个运行的舒适性和安全性。
The railway also features various intelligent technologies, including the Internet of Things, edge computing, and geographic information system.
就在我们整个站房啊，它的一个照明系统，它是根据现场跟车站实际的一个照明光线，包括根据不同时段设计不同的回路来进行一个智能化的一个控制，而不是通过人为的到后台去控制照明、去开关。
Meanwhile, the Fuxing trains running on the line offer a high level of comfort. All seats are equipped with charging ports, while seats in business class cabins have intelligent touchscreen control panels.